In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo your last action using the Ctrl+Z shortcut. Whether you're working on an important document, editing a photo, or just organizing files on your computer, mistakes are bound to happen. That's where Ctrl+Z, commonly known as the undo command, becomes a game changer. It's a simple yet powerful tool that helps you quickly rectify any errors and keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Let's start by understanding what Ctrl+Z does. This command is your go-to when you need to reverse your most recent action. It's like a magic wand that takes back whatever change you made just a moment ago. Whether you accidentally deleted a text, moved a file to the wrong folder, or made an incorrect edit, pressing Ctrl along with the Z key will backtrack your last step, saving you time and unnecessary stress. Now let's talk about how to execute this command. It works across different software applications and is universally recognized in many Windows-based programs. All you need to do is press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, often labeled as Control. Then, while keeping it pressed, hit the Z key. You'll notice that almost instantly, the most recent action is undone. This method holds true in most scenarios, making it an essential shortcut for a wide range of tasks. A handy tip to remember is that Ctrl+Z isn't limited to just one undo. You can actually keep pressing the combination to step back multiple previous actions, depending on the application you're using. However, each software might have its own limit on how many steps back you can go, so it's always useful to be mindful of that while working. It's also worth noting that the undo action is highly context-sensitive. This means that the nature of the action you can undo will vary depending on the task you're performing. For instance, in a word processor, it might undo typing, whereas in a graphics editor, it could reverse a brushstroke. Regardless of the context, the overarching principle remains the same. Ctrl+Z is your ally in undoing unintended changes. If you're working on a Mac, keep in mind that the equivalent command is Command CMD+Z. It operates in precisely the same manner as Ctrl+Z, but uses the Command key instead, which is characteristic of Apple's keyboard layout. Despite the differing keys, the function remains equally effective across platforms. Using these tips on undo functionality, you can enhance your productivity and confidence. Mistakes won't slow you down. You're equipped with the knowledge to easily undo actions and move forward with greater ease. Remember, Ctrl+Z is more than just a shortcut. It's a powerful tool designed to keep your workflow fluid and frustration-free.